In today's video, I will going to show to you how to create a MetaMask wallet. This is cryptocurrency educational from Crypto Ranking. Do not forget to subscribe if you are new here. First, search MetaMask. This is the official MetaMask.io, right? Okay. Then go to here. This is the official website. As you can see, the MetaMask website is loading. Get MetaMask, or here, get MetaMask. Then add to Chrome, add extension. You can see it's right here. And now you are here in the MetaMask Chrome extension. Click get started. Agree. You have to read the terms and then click agree and then write agree. If you have an existing wallet, click existing wallet. If you don't have, just click create new wallet. Then continue with new Google or use secret recovery phrase. I would use secret recovery phrase. Password. Confirm your password. If I forget this, MetaMask can't reset it. Okay. Create password. Now remind me later or get started. Don't reach losing your funds. Protect your wallet by saving your secret recovery phrase in a place you trust. It's the only way to recover your wallet. Do not forget to keep your secret recovery phrase. So let's get started. Okay, this is for educational purpose only. I will not use this wallet so that you will know what secret recovery phrase is all about. So I'm going to screenshot this. All right. You have to remember this. I will copy it in a piece of paper or in my notebook like that. So what do you think is the answer here? Right. If I will say relax, it's good, it's fine, pet, continue. Perfect. That's remember, never share this phrase with anyone. Help us improve MetaMask private general optional. If you tick this, they will use data to learn how you interact with your marketing communications. With your marketing communications, we may share relevant news like product. I may click and agree. Okay, manage the bot settings. That's it. You have now your MetaMask. Installation is complete. Done. As you can see, it's connecting to Ethereum mainnet. If you want to use other blockchain or network, click this and let's say use Binance Smart Chain. click approve. These are the symbol. You want to add this network, just click approve, add the network. As you can see, whenever I want to send, just click this wallet right here. That's my wallet. You can also rename this wallet. You have also a Solana account here. Okay, you can also add the account here, right? You can also manage settings, support, right? Here you can change your account name. Crypto Ranking YouTube channel. Don't forget that. Crypto Ranking YouTube channel. Okay, that's my wallet. Use private key or secret recovery phrase. Enable smart contract account. Mega Binance Base. Okay, that's it. Confirm. Okay, that's it. That's my wallet. Okay, so this is my wallet. What if you want to AVAX proof? You want to add Avalanche network? Same. This is also your wallet. What if you want to add Polygon network proof? And this is also my wallet. You can see there's a Solana wallet here. That's my Solana wallet. Receive. This is my Solana wallet. Okay. Ethereum, Polygon, Base, Binance. This is my wallet. This one. Copy address and send to other people who wants to give me money or give me funds, give me crypto. That's it on how to create a MetaMask wallet, how to use MetaMask wallet. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Crypto Ranking. This educational purpose only, entertainment purpose only. Investing in crypto is very risky. Conduct your own due diligence. Do your own research. Keep safe. Make your wallet safe. Store your keyword phrases, password phrases in a safe place. Right? Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. That is how you create a MetaMask wallet and how to use it.